Moving on to our friends at a new social who told me that it is seriously embargoed what they're doing. So I'm not telling you what the title is. They have to tell you yourself.
Thanks, Johannes. Hey, everyone. I'm Ryan with a new social. We make Bridgie Fed and Bounce, which we announced and then launched here at FediForum a while ago. Bounce lets you migrate from one network, not just one Fediverse instance, but one entire network like the Fediverse to another network like Blue Sky or vice versa, and keep all of your followers. So Bounce has been up and running for a bit. We want to show off a new feature today. So this is the front page. So say I want to migrate, surprisingly here, from the Fediverse to Blue Sky. I would start, I have a Mastodon account here. I've logged into a few of these accounts. I can choose to migrate from Mastodon to Blue Sky. We've shown this before. So these are existing accounts. If I migrate from Mastodon to Blue Sky, it will bridge back and keep all my followers and move the followers over. But the key thing here is these are both existing native accounts on these networks. So this works, but one problem is if you're migrating from an account that's already bridged. So this IndieWeb.social Mastodon account is already bridged. This shows it on Bridgie Fed, and this shows its bridged version on Blue Sky. And so one key point here is there are existing posts that have been bridged over. There are a bunch of existing native followers on Blue Sky. And so right now, when we migrate to a different native account, that bridged version, that original bridged version just gets dropped, which is unfortunate. But on Blue Sky, you can move accounts intact. And so what we are adding to Bounce is a way to do that instead of migrating to a native account. So if we go back here and say, okay, I want to migrate this Mastodon account, but I want to migrate it to a new PDS. I want to take that existing bridged account, just move it to a Blue Sky PDS is the equivalent of a Fediverse instance. So the flow will look a little different. You see the same review because the result is basically the same. But when you keep going here, you choose, just like Fediverse instance, you choose a Blue Sky PDS to move to. I know this one, I think I trust it. It's run by a guy I happen to know. And he didn't expect me to fully demo this live, but I'm going to do some of it live. So what we're doing now is we're creating a login, not an account, because we're taking that existing bridged account and just moving it, but we're creating a login on this PDS. And so I'll say, and then I need invite code, fingers crossed to the demo gods. Handle too long. Wait, did I? Handle. Oh, okay. So let's see. I don't know. Anyway, so what would happen there is, so we'd go over here and we'd be able to log in here. I can do this with an existing one. So this is that PDS. And you would log in here with that login you just created, and then you would have a full account or a login on this PDS, but it would be this bridged account that we already had. And so instead of creating a new one, we're just taking this bridged one, and you'll keep those followers, the native followers, you keep the posts, and the migration happens like normal. So yeah, we're excited to launch that. That kind of is the inverse of what Bounce already did, where moving from Blue Sky to the Fediverse moves your Blue Sky account intact. Moving from the Fediverse to Blue Sky now does the same thing. It moves your Blue Sky account intact. So we have portability kind of across networks. Back to you, Johannes.